The convenience and the time savings are significant. When you get your seed treatment at Cargill, there's no additional cost to you. It's the cost of the chemical, and we bring the chemical and the treater to your yard and treat your seed for you.
The process works very well for us on the farm here. Cargill organizes with us, comes out, brings the treater. We'll treat our wheat, barley, peas, oats. All we have to do is put it back into the bin and it's ready for spring seeding.
So the Storm was a system that was meant to treat seed. It's designed from the ground up to optimize your coverage from your first to your last seed with little to no discrepancies in between. The pumps are designed to accurately meter exactly the amount of treatment necessary. The conveyor itself also plays a part in the metering of the perfect amount of seed to meet with the correct amount of chemical. As long as we're working with clean seed, it's significantly faster than a drip treater with much better consistency.
In the past, under our old system with a compressed air tank, you set the pressure, what you think it should be, and your flow rate to about right, and you hope it works out at the end. You kind of go by color.
If it's under-applied, you risk disease and pest management. If it's over-applied, you risk the safety of the seed. Rather than him over-applying by 7 or 8%, I'm within plus or minus 1. He's getting his value out of it. Anytime we do seed treatment as opposed to drip treating, it's significantly safer. The Storm itself is a closed loop system. There's no exposed chemical, no exposed equipment. Whereas a drip treater, you're dealing with open containers, open nozzles. There's a high risk of environmental contamination versus the Storm being completely sealed off to anything that could be contaminated by it. As long as the seed's above freezing, and the air temperature is also above freezing, then it's not an issue to do your seed treatment in the fall. You can treat your seed up to 6 months prior to seeding it. The importance of keeping the seed warm is that if it's so far below freezing, your seed treatment flash freezes to the seed, giving you little to no use out of the seed treatment that we're applying to it. It's also important to have storage for treated seed just to prevent contamination with any other grain that you happen to have on the farm.
Yes, I would recommend this. If you buy the seed treatment from Cargill, the application is free through the Storm, so it's a no-brainer. To get it done mess-free and before seeding, it really works for us. If you're going through the process and spending the money on it, you might as well have it done properly.